Awesome to have you here with me in this video. I've got a really good one for you here, and this will help if you want to make money online and you're struggling a bit. I've got the perfect prompt for you, and what it does in a nutshell is turn ChatGPT into your own personal income planning and tracking assistant. What it will help with is it allows you to really narrow down into what you're doing, how much money it will bring in, and break down the tasks required to be able to make that money in the quickest time possible. So it will really give you clarity if you find that you start things and nothing ever happens, or if you find that you start things, put the work in and then jump around a lot, shiny object syndrome and so on. Use this prompt. What I'll do with the prompt, just so you know, is I will copy and paste the prompt in the comment section below as a pinned comment. So you actually, I'll put it in the description just below this video, so you'll be able to copy and paste it and use it, and I'll walk you through it if you really want to get going. And this will help you to income plan and work out. I'll show you how to set your goals, but if you're like, I don't know what to do for the money, then do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page. I've put a bit of extra time on the clock. What it is in a nutshell is a complete 2026 income system using AI, and it covers all the income streams that you need. It's brand new for 2026. There's case studies in there, there's a full webinar in there, the full replay ready for you to watch through and get started. It shows you how to create faceless YouTube channels and then flip them. It shows you how to create your own product. It shows you how to offer services, and it also shows you how to flip all of them and flip physical. So say if you're just like, I just want to make money now as quickly as possible and I don't want to do it online, there's even a income stream there on how to make money flipping really quickly. So do check it out if you feel stuck. If you don't have that clarity, it will work really well with this video. I've put the link below, it's in the description, but there's only a little bit of time left to get in on a ridiculously low price because the price is going up. Okay, so let's get back to this prompt. Here we go. I'll walk you through it. So I'll whiz through this prompt. Again, you can find it below this video. And what it does, you are my personal income planning and tracking assistant. Your role is to help me set a realistic but ambitious monthly income goal, break it into clear weekly targets, track progress honestly, adjust strategy if I fall behind, prioritize fast, high leverage actions, keep me focused on revenue, not busy work. And then it walks through monthly target, and you will tell AI your monthly target, and AI's job is to check if the target's realistic, flag risks or weak spots, suggest a stretch version for more time if appropriate. Weekly breakdown, break the monthly target into 4 or 5 weekly targets to break it down week by week, and then show how much money is needed to hit the target. And then progress check, which is a really the magic happens there. Each week I will report where I'm at, wins, problems, and your job is to tell me if I'm ahead, on track, behind, calculate the gap and recalculate remaining targets and identify the fastest way to close it. Then correction mode. If I'm behind, you must identify the main bottleneck stopping me, suggest 2 or 3 high impact revenue actions, cut low return activities and create a 7-day recovery plan. Be direct, no vague advice, no motivational fluff, optimise for consistent income growth. Okay, so when I, again you'll find this below, this prompt, when I ran it, what it says is give me some targets to go for, and you can see here, so you run the prompt and it said, okay, what's your total income target a month, what's your main income sources, and what's your available time per week. Now what I've done is I've just put main income sources, the income streams from the AI income operating system that you can see. So if you're stuck as to what to do, I highly recommend that you at least check out, you don't have to pick it up, but it's the AI income operating system, the link below will give you the best way to start, in my opinion, based on 20 years online. So do check that out, and you can see here the examples: YouTube, Amazon affiliate sites, funnels, local services. That says an example, the available time per week, and I actually put, okay, February target 7,000, 15 to 25 hours. You can put that pounds or dollars, it doesn't matter. And then this is the prompt, so it's saying okay, 7,000, 15 to 25. Is it realistic? Yes, but only if you prioritize correctly. And then it tells me SEO takes time, ads, YouTube and affiliates is slow, if you want to make that in the first week. So it's worked it out for me. Step 2, revenue mix, local services consulting, 2,500, funnels and products, affiliate sites, YouTube ads. Now, it's also given me a weekly breakdown as well. So, you know, for your targets to make that in a month. And then it's given me weekly targets for each income stream. Then it's got a, it's asking me, okay, simple scoreboard. This is where after the first week you'd fill that in and see how much money that you're actually making. But one of the best things is here is step 5. It's giving me what to focus on, and I totally agree with this. So I ran the prompt. I already know what to do, but if you were just starting out and wanted to make that money literally from your first month without any building and so on, you could see direct money would be the quickest, and I would agree with that. So that would be B2B, that would be like my SEO business, that would be optimizing Google My Business profiles. And the reason for that is because we're literally saying, okay, we want to make that money from the first week. So one of the quickest ways of doing that is to get an offer drawn up and start getting it in front of people, whether that's paid or whether that's free by social media. But then your assets and your systems like faceless YouTube channels and so on will take longer than a week to build up, but then you can run them in tandem. So use this prompt, and what it does, what it will do for you is it allows you to see all of your skills, what you can actually do. And again, if you're completely stuck, check out the income operating system because it will give you those income streams. But if you know what you're doing, or if you've got an idea, it will allow you to see, okay, based on your target that you want to make, what's the quickest way for you? And as you can see, based on the example I put in, 60% direct money if you're starting from the first. Now, bear in mind, if I actually said, okay, I want to do faceless YouTube channels and build up to this over 6 months. So say if you had a target of like $2,000 a month, and I want to build that up from now to 6 months, then it would actually give me more of an idea. Okay, yeah, that's fine because you've got more time to play with, but it will allow you to get some clarity and allow you to see. It even gives you, okay, step 6, what's the problem here? What, overbuilding, over planning? One more, like doing busy work there. Instead, sell first, build second, optimize third, and then confirmed plan. And then it's saying next step, do this now, current monthly baseline. So then it's going into, okay, which source have you got anything now, which is the weakest? And again, you could copy that and then tell AI. The other great thing is you can then take, let's say you're doing the direct 60%, and let's say you want to build an offer to optimize Google My Business profiles. Check this out. Okay, so this is where the real magic happens, and I'll just show you a continuation of this. So we've already worked out, okay, the quickest way if we wanted to make money from week 1, like literally without building anything, is direct money. And the example I gave was optimizing Google My Business profiles. Now let me say, I do highly recommend that you have experience with this, but I just want to show you what's possible with AI. But of course, going to a business, for instance, for the last 20 years I've been involved with SEO. So yes, Google My Business, yes, optimizing sites, so it's easy for me to do an offer. But I want to show you what's possible. Check this out. So then I said, okay, I want to go for the direct money route, and I want to build an offer to optimize Google My Business profiles to get businesses more sales. Build me the offer, make the pricing in line with the goals that we've set, and also make it stand out for 2026. Something new I could offer that will make me stand out. Give me the whole offer. Then check this out. It's given me the offer, Local Revenue Accelerator 2026 edition, turn your Google profile into a 24/7 sales machine. It's given me the core promise. In 30 days your Google profile will generate more calls, more inquiries, and so on. What makes this different? we're going to offer AI and conversion and tracking system, AI search intent mapping, what customers actually type, call and lead generation layer, review growth engine, local AI visibility boost, monthly performance dashboard, which is in Google My Business, by the way. And then it's given me an idea on what to offer, the full package and everything they get. Then phase 2, like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So like monthly clients, and you'll do this week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Then pricing match, local boost. You could profile optimization, basic conversion review set up for 497 one time, and then growth revenue engine 997 and 19. And again, you'd adjust these, but you can see here it's designing the full offer, and then the guarantee. Then it's telling me the ideal clients. It's saying you already know this market because I have SEO clients in those fields, so that's why it's saying you already know this market. But sales script, it's given me the sales script, it's given me the landing page structure, it's given me the delivery time, it's given me a brand name, and then I said, okay, give me the step-by-step on how to deliver this offer, the deliverables, walk me through exactly what to do for each business. And then it's walking through before you start, what to ask for, your actions, day 1, step by step, day 2 to 3, profile foundation optimization, services, business description, and walking through it. And again, you could ask AI for help with this, but I recommend having some experience. I'm just showing you what's possible. Day 3 to 7, conversion layer, create a lead flow, an auto reply, trust engine reviews and reputation, you can manage that. Week 2 to 3, content engine. Week 3 to 4, AI visibility boost, tracking and reporting, final client handoff, what we changed, what to do next. And then it's talking about per client time budget, monthly retainer, and then it's also telling me which business do you want to start with, and I'll generate you copy and paste templates for business description, 20 services. So we're not going to do that, but I'm just showing in the space of 10 minutes we've mapped out exactly how much we want to make. We've come up with a complete offer in the space of 20 seconds that we can then go through and adjust, and I highly recommend that you do that, and you can ask for more clarity on each piece. But that's just one income stream that you can set up in, what was it, 5-10 minutes. Now if you want a complete set of income streams, I recommend that you start with, do check out the link below, because it won't just give you the income streams, it gives you everything that you need with AI to set this up really quickly, online income streams, and to make money. So if you're tired of going round and round and round and round, and you just want to get stuck in and make some money, use this prompt, but use it in conjunction with these income streams and get going, get making some money. So do check it out. I'll put the prompt below. Do subscribe, do give us a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers guys.